Step into the enchanting world of illumination with the solar-powered Firefly light, a whimsical and eco-friendly lighting solution that brings a touch of magic to any outdoor space. Inspired by the delicate beauty of fireflies, this innovative gadget harnesses the power of the sun to create a captivating display of light, transforming your garden, patio, or outdoor area into a mesmerizing haven after sunset. At the core of the solar-powered Firefly light is its eco-conscious design, driven by a commitment to harness solar energy for a sustainable and energy-efficient lighting solution. The built-in solar panels discreetly absorb sunlight during the day, converting it into a renewable source of power that fuels the mesmerizing display of firefly-like illumination after dark. This not only eliminates the need for traditional power sources, but also contributes to a greener, more eco-friendly lifestyle. The aesthetics of the solar-powered Firefly light are a marriage of art and technology. Crafted with attention to detail, each light encapsulates the delicate charm of fireflies in its design. The gentle glow emitted by the LED lights within mimics the soft, intermittent patterns of real fireflies, creating an ambiance that is both enchanting and serene. The delicate flickering lights dance like fireflies in the night, adding a touch of magic to outdoor spaces. Installation is a breeze with the solar-powered Firefly light, as it requires no cumbersome wiring or external power sources. Simply stake the lights into the ground in a sunny spot and let them soak up the sun's rays during the day. As dusk falls, the intelligent light sensors activate the firefly-like display, transforming your outdoor space into a whimsical retreat. The versatility of these lights allows for creative placement, whether scattered among garden foliage, lining pathways, or hung from tree branches to create a captivating canopy of light. What sets the solar-powered Firefly light apart is its ability to evoke a sense of wonder and nostalgia. The gentle flickering lights harken back to warm summer nights, where fireflies illuminated the air with their natural glow. Whether used for a backyard gathering, a romantic dinner under the stars, or simply to add a touch of magic to your garden, these lights create an atmosphere that is both captivating and timeless. The solar-powered nature of these lights not only contributes to environmental sustainability, but also ensures cost savings by eliminating the need for electricity. The Firefly light embodies the essence of responsible living, offering an eco-conscious alternative without compromising on the aesthetics and ambience that traditional lighting solutions provide. Versatility is a key feature of the solar-powered Firefly light. The lights are designed to withstand the elements, making them suitable for year-round outdoor use. With a weather-resistant build, they continue to enchant with their magical display even in rain or shine. This durability ensures that the Firefly light becomes a long-lasting addition to your outdoor decor, bringing joy and illumination through various seasons. The solar-powered Firefly light isn't just a source of illumination, it's an invitation to experience the beauty of nature in a new light. Its ability to recreate the mesmerizing dance of fireflies makes it a conversation starter, a focal point for outdoor gatherings, and a unique addition to garden landscapes. It encourages users to connect with the enchanting aspects of the natural world and serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between technology and the beauty of the environment. Looking ahead, the solar-powered Firefly light holds potential for further innovation. As solar technology advances, we can anticipate improvements in energy efficiency, longer battery life, and enhanced features. Integration with smart technology may allow users to customize the light patterns, set schedules, or even synchronize the lights with music, elevating the overall experience and expanding the possibilities for creative outdoor lighting. Thanks for watching. That is it for today, guys. See you tomorrow.